Hello everyone! In this video I'm gonna show you how to disassemble the Canon 17-85mm lens for changing the aperture unit or the aperture cable. Also I'm gonna talk about which tools you need in order to do that. Actually, this video is part of video series. I have 4 other videos about the Canon 17-85mm lens. In one of them I'm talking about the typical problems that the lens usually have. There's another one for changing the aperture cable, and there's another one for cleaning the sensor strip or sensor bar, and the final video is how to assemble the lens. Now let's talk about the tools that I will use to disassemble the lens. First I'm going to start with screwdrivers. I have 2 which are PH000 and one which is PH00. So I'm gonna use those 2 for smaller screws. I'm gonna use this bigger one for the bigger screws. I have 2 metal tweezers. I'm gonna use that for removing the smaller screws from its hole and for smaller lens parts. I have a plastic tweezer for removing the rubber ring from the lens, and also I'm gonna use a screw for wood for removing the white rollers from the lens. So let's start with the disassembly of the Canon 17-85mm lens. So I'm gonna keep the front lens cap on. I'm using PH000 small screwdriver to remove the 2 screws from the side. And then I'm gonna use a little bit bigger screwdriver for removing the 4 screws from the metal bayonet. I'm gonna lift off a little bit with the bayonet and push up the plastic ring. On the other side there's a cable, so be careful not to damage the cable. Now I'm gonna use tweezers for removing that small cable. Next step is to remove that ring, which moves the USM motor. And then I'm gonna use a plastic tweezer to remove that rubber ring from the lens. The next step is to remove the cables from the connectors. Disconnect the cables. And the final one, actually that's the aperture cable. And there's a screw which holds that PCB. Here it is. Now lift off the PCB. The next step is to remove that plastic ring from the lens. In order to do that, you have to unscrew a few screws. So those ones. We will continue with the focusing brush, which is underneath the plastic strip. Leave that off with the tweezer. And there's one screw which should be unscrewed. I'm gonna bend that plastic cover a little bit, so it will be easier to stick it back. Remove the brush carefully. And now there are 3 screws on the side of the lens. Remove those. And there are 3 screws which holds the USM motor. Finally remove that. And then we can remove the USM motor. That's the motor which moves the autofocus elements. So lift the inner side of the lens a little bit up. And then we can start to remove the screws from those white holes. If I can't remove a screw, then I'm using a magnet to remove it. And that's the last one. Next step is to remove those white rollers from the lens, but you could use a plier with teeth. But I would rather use just a screw, then I can grab it from the inside. And it's very easy to remove with a screw. First I will remove only the upper rollers, upper 6 rollers, then I can remove the inside of the lens. And next step is to remove that screw. This holds the aperture cable. As you can see, in this case the aperture cable is completely broken into 2 pieces. Now it's time to remove the remaining 3 white rollers. And the aperture unit is slides off from the lens. Finally, we can disassemble this aperture unit. There are 3 screws which is holding the aperture unit in its case. Remove those 3 screws. And then there's another screw which needs to be removed. And then remove the cable from that from the metal part. So, well, that was it. See you next time in another video where I will show you how to replace the aperture cable and how to assemble the lens. Thank you very much for watching my videos. If you find it useful and informative, please click on the like button, subscribe on my channel, and watch my other videos. Also, donate by PayPal or Bitcoin if you wish. So thank you again, and see you next time in another video.